What's going on YouTube? It's Adam from Beyond the Grid. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to create that Moody folk look just in time for fall. So with summer coming to an end and fall right around the corner, a lot of big Instagrammers and photographers are starting to change up their style and go towards that moody folk look. So let's jump into Lightroom. I'm going to show you guys how you guys can achieve this, especially how to achieve it on the app. That way you guys can use your phone to edit your photos and create that same look and make your photos stand out. So as you guys can see, there's quite a bit of work that goes into this type of theme, but it's worth it in the end because you get something that stands out and really looks good. So if you guys want to pick up some presets that are going to work on an array of your guys' photos, I just released my collection and I'll link it down below. So check it out if you guys want. If you guys are also on Instagram, check out my Instagram at Adam_BeyondTheGrid. Leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know you guys came over from YouTube. So if you guys found anything helpful in this video at all, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. If you guys are not a subscriber, I mean, why aren't you? Hit that subscribe button, and until the next video, take care, everybody.